What's going on, everybody? I'm going to take a chance today on some 2017-18 Prizm Blasters. I don't know if anybody watched that last video where I opened a full retail box of this stuff and just got freaking MMA body slammed to the ground. I mean, it was terrible. It was so ugly. It was a train wreck. I didn't get anything, hardly anything good out of that. It was awful. So I did get these two, and I also got a case of these blasters, which I haven't touched yet. I think I'm gonna have somebody like come over and like put some mojo on the box, burn some sage, and wish it luck, and I don't know. I got to do something, because if it's like that retail full box, then I'm just done for real. But this is just two little blasters, so you never know. I've seen people pull autographs, good silvers out of this. You just never know with these blasters. So taking a little chance here. Let's see what we see. Hopefully get at least a couple of rookies. And there's one right there, Kuzma. So that is not a bad start. Kimball Walker, get hot, and a Justin Patton rookie. So I'm okay with that start. Oh, I did go ahead and pull the packs out to save a little bit of time. I've been kind of doing that some lately. Solomon Hill, Mike Conley, Fundamentals, and Iguodala. Do have a silver here, but I don't think it's a rookie. It is Malcolm Brogdon. Carroll, Fundamentals, Antetokounmpo, and Al Horford. Got a green. Oh, God. These freaking coach cards piss me off. God, I hate those stupid ass cards. Nogbu, Gary Harris. What is this? A jersey card. I forgot about this. I think. Do you get one of these? I don't remember if you get one of these. Did get a parallel and a Harry Giles rookie. So, not too bad. Do you get one of these? I don't even remember. It doesn't look... Yeah. Yep, you do. Okay. Well, that's box one. I just need to prepare myself. I need to speak with a therapist about my hate for the 2017-18 Prizm Coaches cards. And work that out. Damian Dotson rookie. Lillard parallel. J.R. Smith. Tim Duncan green Fundamentals. And a green Devon Reed rookie. So that's okay there. This feels like another jersey card. Oh, let's see, Josh Jackson on the back. So it did get another rookie. Here's my jersey card. Harrison Barnes. And there's Josh Jackson. Get hopped. Beal and Zizic rookie. And last pack of this break. Ivan Robb rookie. Justin Patton emergent. And Klay Thompson. So, not like the best break, but it wasn't too bad. Definitely a couple of decent little rookies. Didn't get a silver rookie though. Did get the Kuzma. I did get the green rookie. Yeah, I don't feel too bad about this. Don't feel as bad as I did after opening that full retail box. Again, that was just woof. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be back with that case break as soon as I get the nerve to open it. That's when. Everybody take care. Bye.